Oh, hey there. Thanks for checking out my channel. My wife Christine and I enjoy great wine, delicious food, and we try and eat pretty healthy. My goal with Howie's Kitchen is to share with you our food and drink experiences which have been kitchen tested and wife approved. I also want to keep my videos under 5 minutes. That's a promise I'm going to try and make, but as things get more complex, we'll see. I'd like you to pay special attention to the lower right corner of my videos. It'll give you a little clue as to what we're drinking that night or an upcoming video. One thing I'm going to promise is you're probably going to hear my dog, maybe even see her a time or two in the videos. I mean, I don't have a professional studio or anything like that. We're doing this in our home, in our kitchen. So I'm going to leave this unedited and you'll get an understanding of what I'm talking about. I'm hoping to create a community where we can share ideas, tips, and tricks and help each other improve our food experiences. If this appeals to you, I hope you'll consider subscribing and joining us for the ride. We're just getting started.